Hey everyone, my name is Tim Schroyer. Today I'm going to be going over the ex-dividend stocks for April 1st. So these are going to be the stocks that are going to be paying a dividend in the coming month, but you need to have the stock in your portfolio before this date in order to get the dividend. So that's why I'm going to be starting a new series where I'm going to be making one of these videos for each day that has stocks with an ex-dividend date coming up. Right now, the April 1st one is going to be the only one for the first week of April. There are no other stocks that have an ex-dividend date for the rest of that week. As a disclaimer, just want to remind you that I am not your financial advisor, your legal advisor, or your tax advisor. So this video is for entertainment and information purposes only. I do hope that you find it useful. If you do, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. It does greatly help out my channel. I'm going to be going over about 17 to 18 of these stocks that have an ex-dividend date on April 1st of 2021. And I'm going to be going over their stock price, their dividend yield, and how much they pay out annually, how much they pay out for each payout that they have, whether they pay quarterly, monthly, semi-annually, annually, and also their growth rate and if they have any dividend growth recently. The first stock I'm going to be going over is going to be the BREX Property Group, ticker symbol BRX. It is currently trading for $20.68, and it has a dividend yield of 2.13%, and it has a payout of 21 cents paid out quarterly. It does have a 5-year growth rate of negative 14.48%, so it does have 0 years currently of dividend growth. Then there is Globe Life, ticker symbol GL, currently trading for $98.32. Currently has a dividend yield of 0.81%. It has a 5-year growth rate of 6.93%, and they have increased their dividend growth for the last 15 years. Their current dividend payout is 20 cents per share, paid out quarterly. Next stock is going to be Guarantee Federal Bankshares Inc., ticker symbol GFED. It is currently trading for $19.25 per share, has a dividend yield of 3.15%. It is currently paying out 15 cents per share quarterly, and it has a 5-year growth rate of 18.2%, and they have increased their dividend over the last 2 years. The Hannon Armstrong Sustainable Infrastructure Capital Inc., ticker symbol HASI, is currently trading for $55.51. It has a dividend yield of 2.63%. They pay out 35 cents per share quarterly. They have a 5-year growth rate of 4.11%, and they have increased their dividend for the last 7 years. Next is Helios Technologies Inc., ticker symbol HLIO, is currently trading for $73.31, has a current dividend yield of 0.51%, and they pay out 9 cents per share quarterly. They have no recorded growth rate or dividend growth. International General Insurance Holdings Limited, ticker symbol IGIC, is currently trading for $8.20. It has a dividend yield of 4.63%. They pay out 17 cents per share semi-annually, and they do not have any growth rate or dividend growth for this particular stock either. KBR, ticker symbol KBR, is currently trading for $37.74. Has a dividend yield of 1.17% with a payout of 11 cents per share, and they pay out quarterly. They have a 5-year growth rate of 5.08%, and they have grown their dividend over the last 2 years. Next is Limonera Company, ticker symbol LMNR. I apologize if I mispronounced that. It is currently trading for $17.12. Has a dividend yield of 1.74%. They pay out 7 cents per share quarterly. They have a 5-year growth rate of 9.57%, but they have not increased their dividend recently. Next is New Residential Investment Corporation, ticker symbol NRZ, currently trading at $11.30 per share. They have a dividend yield of 7.33%. They pay out 20 cents per share quarterly. They have a 5-year growth rate of negative 18.7% and no years of current dividend growth. Omega Flex Incorporated, ticker symbol OFLX, is currently trading for $160.52 with a dividend yield of 0.68%. They pay out 28 cents per share quarterly. Also, no growth rate or dividend growth for this company either. Ready Capital Corporation, ticker symbol RC, is currently trading for $13.67 per share. They have a dividend yield of 9%. They pay out 30 cents per share quarterly. They have a negative 12.51% 5-year growth rate and no dividend growth currently. Roper Technologies Inc., ticker symbol ROP, currently trades for $403.01. Has a current dividend yield of 0.55% with a dividend payout of 56 cents per share quarterly. They have a 5-year growth rate of 14.34%, and they have grown their dividend over the last 28 years, making them a Dividend Aristocrat. Shoe Carnival, ticker symbol SCBL, is currently trading for $61.76 per share. They have a dividend yield of 0.94%. They pay out 14 cents per share quarterly. They have a 5-year growth rate of 9.54%, and they have grown their dividend over the last 6 years. Next is Steelcase Inc., ticker symbol SCS. They have a current dividend yield of 2.84%. They pay out 10 cents per share quarterly. They have a negative 2.65% 5-year growth rate and no dividend growth currently. Next is the Toro Company, ticker symbol TTC, currently trading for $104.04 per share. They have a dividend yield of 1.01%. They pay out 26 cents per share quarterly. They have a 13.26% 5-year growth rate, and they have grown their dividend over the last 17 years. Lastly is going to be the Whitestone REIT. That's ticker symbol WSR. It's currently trading for $9.63, and it has a dividend yield of 4.6%. They pay out 4 cents per share monthly. They do have a negative 23.6% 5-year growth rate and no dividend growth recently. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. Hope you have a great day and good luck trading.